Hello everyone, my name is Denver Yee, Section -9. I discuss about the importance of energy efficiency in maritime industry. Energy efficiency in the maritime industry is crucial for a variety of reasons. Number 1, environmental impact. Ships are major contributors to greenhouse gas emission and air pollution. Improving energy efficiency can help reduce the industry carbon footprint and minimize the impact on marine ecosystems. Number 2, cost savings. Energy efficient ships consume less fuel resulting in lower operational costs for ship owners and operators, with fuel being significant expense in maritime industry. Improving efficiency can lead to substantial savings. Number 3, regulatory compliance. Stringent regulations are being implemented to reduce emissions from ships. Energy efficiency measures can help ensure compliance with these regulations and avoid costly penalties. Number 4, competitive advantage. As sustainability becomes a key focus in the global economy, energy efficient ships are likely to be preferred by customers, investors, and other stakeholders. This can provide a competitive edge for companies in the maritime industry. Number 5, long-term sustainability. By investing in energy efficiency technologies and practice, the maritime industry can ensure its long-term sustainability and resilience in rapidly changing regulatory and market environment. 6, compliance. There are increasing regulations and standards in place that require ships to meet certain energy efficiency criteria. By complying with these regulations, ship owners can avoid penalties and maintain their operations legally. Number 7, resource conservation. Energy efficiency measures help to reduce the overall consumption of resources such as fuel and electricity. This is essential for sustainable use of resources and minimizing the industry's impact on the environment. Number 8, operational performance. Energy efficient ships are often more reliable and the lower maintenance costs. By investing in energy savings technologies and practices, ships operators can enhance the operational performance and longevity of their vessels. Number 9, reputation and stakeholder expectations. As sustainability becomes increasingly important to customer, investors, and regulators, demonstrating a commitment to energy efficiency can enhance companies' regulation and meet stakeholder expectations. Number 10, innovation and technological advancements. Investing in energy efficient technologies encourage innovation and fosters the development of cleaner and more sustainable solutions in the maritime industries. Advanced in propulsion system, full design alternative fuels, and digitalization are driving the ship towards greener and more energy efficient maritime practices. Overall energy efficiency in the maritime industry is not only essential for economic reasons, but also for environmental sustainability and regulatory compliance. Embracing energy efficient practice and technology is critical for the future of the industry and planet. Compliance. There are increasing regulations and standards in place that require ships to meet certain energy efficiency criteria. By complying with these regulations, ship owners can avoid penalties and maintain their operation legally. Measures help to reduce the overall consumption of resources such as fuel and electricity. This is essential for sustainable use of resources and minimizing the industry's impact on the environment.
matapos